Have you ever thought of creating this type of animation? Then, I will teach you how you can create animation like this using only Canva. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Create blank document. Here I will be using YouTube video format. On the left side, go to Elements and search for Street. Click on Graphics tab. Select the one which you like. I will select this one. And adjust it. Again, go to Elements and search for other character. I will search for walking person. Select the one which you like. I will select this one. And adjust it. Now click on Animate. Select this bee icon. Now gently drag your mouse pointer from one side to other. Select movement style to smooth or steady. Now let's create our another car animation. Go to Elements and search for Road. Let me select this one and adjust its position. Then search for car. Here is a quick tip. You need to click on this three-dot burger icon and select Animated Only. This will only show you animated characters. This will look nice on my design. Adjust its position. Click on Animate. Then this bee icon. Then drag the character from one side to other. You will have a smooth car flowing effect. For the third part, I will use park scene. If you are not finding what you need, make sure you turn on static image as well. I will select this and adjust its position. I will also add other elements. And turn animated option on. I will select this and let's find another one for our design as well. This looks good. Adjust the position of the design. Let's add transition to give it a professional look. Click on this icon on the middle of the page to add transition. Select any one from the given options. Make changes, and there you have it, guys, a quick Canva animation tutorial. And lastly, export the file in MP4 format.